How to clear Snapchat memories. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in order to clear the Snapchat memories or delete the saved snaps and stories, you need to follow the simple steps. Go ahead and open your Snapchat. Then swipe up or tap on the Memories tab, which is beside the capture button. You'll be able to access your snaps or stories. Press and hold on the snap or story that you want to delete. Then tap on the More icon from the bottom. And then you'll get two different options of delete or create story. Tap on delete and again tap on delete to confirm. Once deleted, memories can't be recovered, so you need to be very careful with your choices. Once you've confirmed the deletion, you can also delete multiple snaps or stories at once. In the Memories tab, you can tap on the select button in the top right, then select the snaps that you want to delete. Then tap on the bin icon that is in the bottom of the screen between the hide and create option, which is indicating delete. Tap on that and then tap on delete again to confirm to delete the selected snaps. Note that deleted memories cannot be recovered. You can also move snap out of your memories by saving them elsewhere before deleting. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.